we will talk about branches of internal iliac artery. We all know that the aorta bifurcates into two: common iliac artery. This is aorta. These both are common iliac artery. Now this common iliac artery bifurcates into two. It is external iliac artery and that is internal iliac artery. Okay, this external iliac artery will supply the respective limb, lower limb exactly. The internal iliac artery supplies the pelvis of that part. Okay, so internal iliac artery supplies the pelvis. This is you think you must know. The thing is, internal iliac artery divides into two division, that is anterior division and posterior division. Simple. Anterior division has 9 branch, posterior division has 3 branch. To remember you have to simply remember anterior division has 9 branch, posterior division has 3 branch. To make the concept simple, anterior division of the internal iliac artery supplies the viscera of the pelvis along with some somatic structures. Posterior division of the internal iliac artery is a somatic division which doesn't supply the viscera. It will supply bones, muscle, like that. Okay, so let's go for first the anterior. You know that now that the anterior division will supply all the viscera of the pelvis. So start from the uterus. So the uterine artery is a branch of anterior division. You need to supply the bladder. For bladder it has two arteries, superior vesicle and inferior vesicle. For rectum it has a middle rectal artery. Fourth, vagina, vaginal artery. Okay, so these all viscera it supplies. Now somatic branches: inferior gluteal artery which supplies the inferior gluteal muscle, obturator artery which supplies the obturator muscles, internal pudendal artery which supplies the perineum. Okay, the perineum it supplies, like vulva and all these things is supplied by interior pudendal artery. There is umbilical artery which is a remnant artery from the fetal life. So you got the all 9 branches: uterine artery, superior vesicle, inferior vesicle, middle rectal, vaginal artery, inferior gluteal, obturator, internal pudendal and umbilical. Okay, it is very simple to remember, nothing problem in that. Now superior gluteal is a branch of posterior division. Posterior division has 3 branches. The first is superior gluteal, the second is iliolumbar, and the third one is sacral artery. So iliolumbar and sacral supplies the bone, superior gluteal supplies the superior gluteal muscle. So now you can remember this very simple, that internal iliac artery, anterior posterior division. Anterior has 9 arteries, posterior has 3 arteries. and anterior supplies the all viscera along with some somatic structures, like, and the posterior division only supplies the somatic structures. Thank you.